guess this animal sound.
Listen carefully.
Yeah, it's a dog. Dog sound name is bark.
Guess this animal's sound now. Listen it carefully. Correct! It's a cat. Cat sound name is meow.
Guess the next animal sound. Listen it carefully. Yay! It's a cow, and the cow sound name is moo.
Guess next animal sound? Listen it carefully. Yeah, it's a goat. Goat sound name is bleat.
Guess the next animal sound. Listen it carefully. Yeah, it's a mouse. Mouse sound name is squeak.
Guess this animal sound? Listen it very carefully. Hey, it's a buffalo. Buffalo sound name is grunt.
Guess this animal sound?
Listen carefully.
Correct, it's a monkey. Monkey sound name is chatter.
Now guess this animal sound. Listen carefully. Bah, bah.
Wow, it's a sheep. Sheep sound name is ba.
Guess this animal sound? Listen it carefully. Woohoo! It's a hen! Hen sound name is clock.
Now, guess this animal sound. Listen carefully.
Yay! It's an ox. Ox sound name is moo.
Guess this animal sound? Listen carefully.
Yippee! It's a pig! Pig sound name is oink oink.
Guess this animal sound?
Listen it carefully.
Yeah, it's a rabbit. Rabbit's sound name is squeak.
Guess this animal sound? Listen it carefully.
Whee! It's a horse. Horse sound name is neigh.
Kids, guess this animal sounds. Listen it carefully. Oh yeah, it's a donkey. Donkey's sound name is bray.
Now, guess this animal sounds? Listen it carefully.
Yahoo! It's a camel. Camel sound name is grunt grunt.
Guess this animal sound, little kids.
Listen it carefully.
Woo! It's a big lion. Lion sound name is roar.
Guess this animal sound? Listen it very carefully. Oh yeah! It's an elephant. Elephant sound name is trumpet.
Guess this animal sound?
Listen carefully.
Kaboom! It's a tiger. Tiger sound name is growl.
Now guess this animal sound. Listen carefully.
Oh wow! It's a bear. Bear's sound name is growl.
Guess next animal sound? Listen it carefully.
Woo bam! It's a wolf.
Wolf sound name is howl.
Now, guess this animal sound. Listen carefully.
Hooray! It's a hyena. Hyena sound name is laugh.
Guess the next animal sound. Listen it carefully.
Boom, yeah! It's a zebra! Zebra sound name is whinny!
Guess this animal sound?
Listen it carefully. Boom, yeah! It's a gorilla. Gorilla's sound name is grunt.
Guess this animal sound?
Listen it carefully.
Woohoo! It's a giraffe. Giraffe sound name is hum.
Now, guess this animal sounds. Listen it carefully.
Yip, yip, yay! It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo sound name is thump.
Guess next animal sound? Listen it carefully. Zing, zing, zing! It's a hippo. Hippo sound name is grunt.
Guess this animal sound? Listen carefully.
Yes, it's a leopard. Leopard sound name is growl.
Guess next animal sound? Listen it carefully. Oh my gosh, it's a panda. Panda's sound name is bleat.
Wow, you did amazing today, little superstar learner. If you liked this video, give it a little thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more learning adventure. See you soon. Till then, doodles.